Education today is fragmented. You have a calculator for math, a PDF reader for research, and GitHub for code. But there is no central hub that connects them all. Introducing LearnLab, the all-in-one AI education suite, powered by Gemini 3 Pro. We have built a unified workspace that transforms passive study into active learning. First, there is the physics lab. I can sketch a simple diagram on paper, upload it, and LearnLab instantly turns it into a live, interactive simulation. I can pause time, change gravity, and visualize forces in real time. Next, we have the document Analyst. Unlike standard chatbots, our Analyst uses enterprise-grade precision. It reads entire contracts client-side, extracts financial data into strict JSON format, and detects risks without hallucinating. For developers, we built Repo X-Ray. It connects directly to GitHub, pulling live code and acting as a senior engineer to explain complex software architecture in seconds. And finally, Aurora Tutor. We programmed Aurora with a Socratic system prompt. Instead of giving answers, it guides students step by step, ensuring they actually master the material. For powerful tools. One unified interface. Built entirely using the Vibe coding workflow. This is LearnLab. Now, let's look under the hood and see exactly how we built this.